My name is Chris Frisch, Technical Support Specialist with JSCAPE. In this video we will be doing a brief overview of password and password compliance settings in JSCAPE MFT Server. There are several different places in JSCAPE MFT Server Manager to change different passwords, so we will show you where to find them as well as how to enforce password compliance for users. There are several things you need to know regarding passwords and password compliance, and we will discuss them in this video. To start off, let's look at changing a user password. You can click on the Users node under your domain, select a user, and click Edit. You will see the Change Password button on the first window that opens. Enter a new password twice here, and just click OK. This is pretty straightforward and you will probably never have any problems with this. Now let's look at changing a JSCAPE MFT Server administrator password. So let's click on File and select Settings. You will find the administrator account settings on the Manager Service node here. Now let's click on the Administrators tab, select the administrator account, and click Edit. Now just click on the Change Password button. Enter a new password here twice and then click OK. I'm not going to actually change my administrator password here at this time. It's very important that you remember that when you change the administrator password for JSCAPE MFT Server that you must also change the connection settings as well, or you'll not be able to log into JSCAPE MFT Server Manager next time you open it with the Save Connection settings. So now you need to click on the Connections node and select the Save Connection for your server and click Edit. Now you'll need to change the password here to reflect the password change for the administrator account and click Apply. It may be a good idea to have a secondary administrator account set up with a saved connection for it in case you forget to change the password in both places. Now let's look at password compliance. The settings for password compliance can be found on the Compliance node under your domain. These settings will apply globally to all users in this domain. We have two sections here, password and required characters. In the first section here we have 5 options related to password use. We can set the minimum password length and the maximum password age before the user will be forced to create a new password. We have the option of sending the user an email reminder before their password expires as well. We can set the number of previous passwords to remember in order to require the user to create a new password they have not actually used before. And we can require a password reset upon first login for new accounts. In the next section, we have password-specific requirements. We can require that all passwords contain uppercase and lowercase letters. We can require that all passwords contain numbers. And we can require a non-alphanumeric character for all passwords. We can also enable the deny login for password non-compliance. This will force all users to adhere to these restrictions. So now you know the basics of passwords and password compliance in JSCAPE MFT Server. If you would like more information on JSCAPE MFT Server, please visit jscape.com.